Hello, we're going to talk about ABC, activity-based cost. We're not talking about a small company. P&G is a huge company. Procter & Gamble is serving billion of people around the world, and it's not one, two, or three products. As we said before, we have more than 40 products around the market. So yes, we need something better than traditional system to count the cost of any product. Having that many products, it gives you a lot of cost. So let's make it easy. What about PERplus versus Tide? PERplus is a shampoo, while Tide is something that you think it can be soap, but it has the same action cleaning something, hair versus clothing, but this one has different chemicals, and this one has more people maybe working on it. You never know. What you can do is noticing what is costing more for this one and this one. Here is where ABC works for us. Let's imagine that we have the electric bill. That's energy. Are we spending in PERplus and Tide the same amount? No, this one has one, this one has three. That means we're spending 3 times more energy on this one than this one. Those are costs that we cannot count as their direct costs. That's our indirect costs, but they still are costs for us. Of course, that is not the only one. We have to spend on water, we have to spend on chemicals to create reactions, and we have to spend on machinery. That might be another kind of cost. But if we have a machine working on this one, another machine working on this one, we can say, okay, this is the cost for this one, this is the cost for this one. But water and electricity doesn't work like that. Water and electricity works in a completely different way. Continuing with the exercise, we can say in traditional systems that we split the bill in half. So this half is PERplus and this half is Tide. That is wrong, because PERplus is spending less than Tide. Why it should have the same amount? ABC offers the chance to give the value of PERplus on cost, on indirect cost, better than the Tide one. If you spend 50 gigahertz on this one and you spend 150 on this one, it's 3 times more. So this one has a higher cost. Last but not least, the final pricing decision will be based on direct cost and their indirect cost and other variables that will make the difference between $100 per case for PERplus versus $100 per case on Tide. This product can be cheap in comparison with the market, but this one will be way too expensive. Why? Because we're not doing what we're supposed to do. So this one might be, instead of $150 per case, and this one instead of 100 should be 110, and it's still gonna be competing in the market. Understanding this, why nobody likes it? That's pretty simple. People do not like change. People do not like to go from point A to point B without knowing what is happening here. ABC is a system that offers the financial managers the security of knowing what is happening, but the non-financial managers do not understand it at the beginning. So they might feel that the other guys, the financial ones, are taking power. And power is dangerous sometimes for them because they're gonna feel that they are getting problems that they don't understand. As everything, it might be ABC, a complex system, but as soon as people get into the way of working on it, they understand that it's way better, especially because you can divide the cost for everything, cost of per plus, Tide, Crest, other brands, and knowing which one will be the best price for every product. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for paying attention to this system. It is a great system. Procter & Gamble will use it because they know they have a variety of products and they have to compete with other markets. So it is effective. And even though it looks complex, it might be the option that every company will need in the future.